going to be a men's grooming essentials video. What are all the products I use to trim my kids and husband's hair, and what type of electronic he uses in a day-to-day life. So apart from manual razor and the pointy scissors for his mustache, we are going to see what he is using. I hope you like this video. Come on, let's. Vishal! So this is the first product for men's grooming, and this is a shaver. You can see, I think it has a lot of hair. My husband recently used it, so it has a blade like X and Y. I think you can see it properly. Yeah, X, you can see. So when you on it, it will go like this. The thing is, it has a blade system, like it will circulate. Underneath there is one blade, and when the hair goes inside the gaps, the blade it will cut the hair. So this is a wet and dry shaver. We will get like 2 replacement blades like this. We can buy, if you want, you can buy in extra blades in Amazon. I bought this in Costco. So this is one, and so you can see, so it's very handy and lightweight, and you can see it, you can hold it nicely. So my husband is using this for past 1 year, and he loves this. He stopped buying the manual one, and he is using this. So this is how you press, and the blade ejects, so like that, and you can just press it in, and you can press it. That's it. So this is one, and you can see I'm just so this I used for his haircut, for tight lining his neckline. Because whenever I use a clipper, that hurts, so I thought I will use this. So this is the one, and this has a charger, so you can just directly clip on the charger, or it also has a stand, so you can keep it like this. So it stands like this, and you can charge it with the port here. And they have given it with see, I told you, right? They gave like 1 and 2 and 3 blades. Sorry for my teacup and everything. And they given, it's called norelco. I'll give the link in the description box for this product. And this is for beards. So if you are growing beard and it's outgrown, or you want to trim it, you can just clip it up and thing. So it has like adjuster, so how long you need, yeah, so that's, you can rotate it. So mostly my husband won't use this, sometimes. And this is for body hair, so like armpit or chest hair, like that. So it's a guard for you can clip it here, and you can use it as a guard. I think you can use this as your beard hair too, who knows. So this is the one, and the charger is like that. So it's a Philips brand, and this is his absolute favorite. So I would suggest, if you are buying a shaver for men's grooming essential, I would tell you can buy this. I can guarantee you that. So it comes with 1, 2, 3 and 4 blades. I think this will, it already lasted for like more than 8 months, the blade, so I think it will last more. And this card says that, see when the blade starts to wear out, there will be a green patch in center of the blade, so that's how we'll know that where we have to change the blade. Come on. As you use your blade, a green bar starts to appear. When highly visible, we advise you to replace your blade for the freshest experience. So that's how we know that. So one blade. So our blade lasts for like more than 8 months, nearly 1 year. I think it will go for longer. So the next thing is a clipper. The one, this, it's also the same brand, Philips norelco. Okay, so this, it goes like this. This is the biggest blade for the clipper. I think this is for haircuts and hair trimming, haircuts, whatever you say. And this is for beards. No, I think the mustache. So to tightline it or trim it. And another one is this one. This is for the beard, because this is the smallest one. You can see, like, it's a small, it's the next small for the big one. And next we get is a trimmer. I think this is for like a earline or something. I'm not sure, I haven't used this one. And this is for the nose. So we all know that nose trimmer, right? So this is for the nose. And these are the clippers. And for this blade, so these are the accessories. So one does like 2 mm guard, 2 mm guard, and 3 mm guard, and 1 mm guard. Yeah, 1 mm guard. And I think this is for this one. So this one, so this is eyebrows. Okay, this is for eyebrows. And I haven't used this one, so I mean like this blade, so that's why I don't know what to use it. And this is the 7 mm. So when I researched, I found this is for body, 5 mm, and this is for body, 3 mm, and another one is for it's a 5 mm. And it comes with a brush, so we can just what to say, so if there is hair, see, I told you, right, there is a hair, so it mixes everywhere. So to brush out the not reachable area, so we can use it. We can wash it with running water too, so that's okay. And a quick tip is, each and every time you try to sanitize with hydrogen peroxide or like rubbing alcohol, so to keep it clean and rust free, I'd say. So that's that. And for the bigger one, for the bigger one, these are the things for hair, obviously. So this is this slanting thing, right? This is for left and right hair, I mean the ear line. So if you want to trim it near the hairline, I mean your ear line, so this one is used, so you don't have to go close to your ear. And this is the 9 mm and 16 mm, 12 mm, and This is the 4 mm. So I used today, I think today I used this for my husband's hair cutting. I trimmed my husband's hair after, I think this is the first time I'm trimming my husband's hair, and he had a lot of hair like Goldilocks. So I went from step by step. You have to go step by step to tightline your, to fade out your back of the head. So I went from 16 to 12. I gradually. So I will put a video on how to cut, how to use this clipper in the next video. So this is the best investment, I would say. We bought this in Costco too. So whenever we got a deal, we bought this. So it's a really steal deal, I will say. This is for more than 1.5 years, because why I am so sure is last year I had a hand surgery, elbow surgery, so I couldn't move my left hand, and I couldn't take a head bath for a very long time. So, and I was losing a lot of hair, so I trimmed my hair with this one. I will attach the photo with this video. So you can see, just within I think 2-3 minutes I just cut my whole length of the hair. And this comes with the charger, and it's travel friendly. You can charge it and you can take it. Goes like this, and this is the charger. This is the charger, so you can see. And it comes with a pouch, so you can have everything. So this is the pouch. I will attach a video that how I cut my husband's hair in this, and I will give you 2 tips how to cut the front of the hair if you have a long straight hair, and if you have a curly hair, I will attach that too. So this is that. It's my favorite. So it will stand like this. You can keep it. See? It will stand like this. It's so cute. I don't know, it's so handy. We previously had one. It was so bulky and it was so noisy. And this one, it's absolute favorite. I enjoyed using it because more than my husband, I use it. So I used to trim my kids' hair. So that's why it is. So I have attached my kids' haircut photo. This is how it was for my kids. This is how I do every time in the home. This is my absolute favorite hair clipper. I will, in the next video, I will show you how to use this clipper. And I hope you like this video. See you all in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.